All right, guys, I'm going to talk through your ACT reflection. So once you have completed all of your ACT English tests, passages 1 through 5, you'll be able to have this first page done. So you will put in how many questions you're able to get right in the time limit, so 9 minutes here, and that's the first score I give you. And then the verses. And then the second score I give you is how many you're capable of getting right with all the time you need. And basically what we're looking at is timing the problem, or are the skills the problem, right? And so there are different strategies that we can do if we know that it's just timing that's stopping you from getting a higher score versus if it's having to work on skills to improve your score. So then what you're going to do is you're going to total up these 5 numbers right here, and total up these 5 numbers and put the score right here, and that's called your raw score. And then you're going to use the conversion tables to make your score out of 36, because the ACT is out of 36. And so let's say you got 40 up here, then your conversion or your scaled score would be an 18, right, that you would put there. Or if this was, let's say, 60, then you go across, your scaled score is a 26, like that. So then we've got the types of questions. So for every passage, you're going to go through and you're going to highlight what questions you got wrong, and we're tracking skills that you need to work on, especially if you're repeatedly missing the same ones. So you're going to do that for passages 1 through 5. And then the reflection, like what type of questions do you feel like you're the best at, like you're always getting right, or you're just really confident in? And then what are 2 types of questions that you're going to commit to learning the rules for in Try To. Then the ACT reading test, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to put the realistic score that you earned on each of the 4 passages here, and then the second, the extended time score here, the scores here, and then you're going to total up these 4, number here, total up these 4, the number goes there, and then you're going to use the conversion table to adjust this out of 36. So if you got, let's say 24 right here, then you're going to go across, and then that's 22 out of 36 on the ACT. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you're going to look at what line number you were able to read to for each of the 4 passages in 3 minutes. Remember, you're supposed to time yourself, read for 3 minutes without looking at the questions, write down what line number you can get to. And then once you have those 4 done, circle which one best applies to you. Are you a slow reader? You finish less than half of the passage. Moderate pace reader, you finish between half and 3/4 of the passage. Or a fast reader, you finish the whole passage in the 3 minutes. And then you're going to also, so like if you circled moderate reader, you're going to circle moderate reader here. If you circled slow, you're going to circle slow here, fast here. And then you're going to take the advice that it gives, and you're going to bullet point it right down here. Okay, so just take this information, if you're a slow reader, and bullet point out what it says to do. If you're moderate pace, bullet point these out for what you should do, and then same here. And then you're going to go through each of your reading passages and highlight the questions you got wrong. So again, you're tracking types of questions that you feel like you're pretty good at, you're confident you usually get right, go here. And then 2 types of questions that you're going to commit to focusing on. And then finally, on the last page, you're going to read the ACT reading tips, and then you're going to draw each one out just to help yourself remember them better. And that is it. I would like you to submit this when you're done. I would like you to email it to your parents explaining what it is, and then screenshot it, screenshot the email or copy me into the email so that I know that you also sent it to them. Thank you.